So Grok has just released the first version of Grok Studio, adding code execution and Google Drive support. So with Grok Studio, you can now generate documents, code, reports, and browser games. Grok Studio will open your content in a separate window, allowing both you and Grok to collaborate on the content together. This is a feature which was present in Anthropic. It's present in Google AI Studio. So now Grok is bringing it over here with their first version of Grok Studio. So I took it out for a spin. So what you have to do is that you can go to grok.com, okay, and you can chat over here, right? This is available for both free and premium users. There should be rate limits on Grok 3 usage, but it's available for free for both free and premium users. So you can go over here and you can put this thing like create a small, dino jumper game, right? It says I'll create a simple dino jumper game, okay, and you have this index, this thing, okay, which has been created, and here you can say preview, okay, and it is able to generate this particular preview for this particular game, both on mobile as well as for this. Basically it runs it and it gives you the code as well as the preview window. So maybe let me try it again over here. Create a dino jumper game with small dinos, small dino figures. Let's see what happens. I just created the preview window. See, it gives the code, and here is your preview window, okay, where you can preview this particular code. So this is a very nice feature. Okay, it's still generating the preview over here. Yeah, so here you can see your small dinos, okay. So you can also run Python code, you can run C++ code, right? It can run Python, C++, JavaScript, TypeScript, and Bash scripts. You can preview HTML snippets. So I gave this particular prompt and said, give me Python code to plot the stock price of Tesla for the last 1 year. It generated the code, and here is the preview of the code, the visualization of Tesla stock price for the last 1 year. So it can generate Python code. You can interact with Word documents. So for example, you can create a short Word document on fibromyalgia. So it has created a small report over here, and it opens up, a Word editor where you can go and edit and you can download the contents. Right. There are some limitations, of course, if external libraries are involved. Say for example, where I gave a report and said that extract tables and render it an interactive table. So there are some external libraries involved in this particular code. In that case, if you run also, it says it makes use of a sandboxed environment. So it is not able to actually preview or run that particular code, which is the case with almost all AI Studio or this kind of studio environments. Another feature is that you can bring in a Google Drive document, spreadsheet, or slides, and you can, ask questions, you can interact with that data, and you can do your tasks. So this is an interesting new feature from Grok. You can go and try it out. You can create an account on grok.com and you can try out Grok Studio. Hope this video is useful. See you in another video.